So welcome to Stanfordis everybody. So today we are going to learn a new thing, a new topic in our English speaking, and that's new topic we are going to learn. That is before we talk about topic, let's have a look on this page. And I want to remind you once more that please participate in group discussion every day, because if you participate in group discussion, only then you can practice for your English speaking every day. And you know that now you are going to practice every day, means every day. I'm not going to give any holiday right now. I will try to give zero holiday in our group discussion. So if before I proceed, please click on this subscription button and subscribe this channel, because your subscription is my motivation. And here what I'm going to share, that please share this channel with others who really need to learn English, who really want to learn English, professional English with perfect way of listening, reading, writing and speaking. So it's before I go forward, I would like to ask you only one thing, that you must have used these words, actually I, me, my, mine, myself, in your day-to-day life. You must have used. So here, very simple task for you, that please write one sentence by using these words. I hope you are getting clearly that you need to write only one sentence by I, by me, by my, by mine, by myself. Please pause the video here and write one sentence by using all these words. I hope you have done. Let's have a look on the answer. So I have given in a few examples here, like I am a boy, Ram and I were going market. It is for me, my students are intelligent. You are intelligent, right? So the book is mine. I know about myself. Now please notice something, that how are we using these words here? What are the differences in use of I, me, my, mine and myself? The very first thing I would like to clear here, that is, when you are using I with another subject, use I after an. Like Ram and I is correct, but if you are using I and Ram, that is not correct. I and Ram, this is not correct. But Ram and I, this is correct. Always use I after joining word, like and, or use after that. Let's have a look on the difference. Please pause the video here and read these sentences carefully. I hope you must have paused and read. Are you reading this thing? Please read carefully. I hope you are reading this. So very first thing, I. Very first thing, that is I. I is used as a subject. Me is used as an object. Now have a look on the example here. I is coming as a subject, but me is coming as an object. Object means at the end of a sentence. Subject means in the beginning of a sentence. You know, very simple format general format of any sentence, like subject plus verb plus object. Subject comes first, object comes at the end of any sentence. So I will be you will use I always as a subject, always as a subject in the beginning, but me you are going to use as an object at the end of the sentence. Let's have a look on the difference of next two word, my and mine. My is to be used before a noun. So you'll use my before a noun. My brother, my friend, my sister, my father, my enemy, something like that. And mine is to be used at the end of the sentence. So mine will be used as an object. Now let's have a look on the example. My. See, I'm using my with the student, my students. Can you see here? My student. So a student is a noun and I'm using my with it. Second thing, mine is coming at the end of a sentence, like as an object. At the end of a sentence, mine is coming over there. Let's have a look about myself. So myself is used when you are doing something yourself, you're doing yourself. And myself is also coming most of the time as an object. You're not going to use myself as a subject. Okay, mostly I have seen people are saying myself is Ijaz Ahmed. It is not correct. As per standard grammar, you should not use myself in the beginning of sentence, but there are some exceptions where you can use myself as an subject, but don't try to use myself as an subject. Always try to use as an object at the end of a sentence. I hope you got this concept and you are ready for a new learning next time. And as you know that I'm going to give you one homework here. So this is your homework today. Please write 5 sentences using I, me, mine and myself in the comment section of the video, and at night when we will discuss the video and we will do presentation, please give me 5 sentences at a time, and I hope you'll come up with few correct sentences, and I hope you write and practice in front of mirror before your presentation. Let's have a look on the next topic. We are going to do the next topic, how selection of word matters for a good relation. We all know that words can give you respect, words can give you slap. So it depends on your words, what are you going to speak here or at any place in your conversation. So here, what is the thing? We'll talk about such words, that how should we use few words, which type of words we should use in our professional life, which type of words we should use in our personal life, and how much it is important for our better future. I hope you're ready and excited for this learning. And as you know that tomorrow next day I'm going to publish the next video, which is in Hindi. The same video I'll upload in the Hindi version, and then I'll upload next video in grammar version, grammar video next about that, and so on. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share to people who really need and want to learn English in their life for a better future. So don't forget to participate in group discussion, because participation in group discussion makes a lot of change in your speaking practice. And thank you so much for today.